Abby, bro. All these new followers, I'm saying, gangy. Okay. Y'all want to watch this video? Let's see the preview.
It's Vicky. And today, we find
Vicky, bro.
The right one. We gonna find
Wait. Hold on. This quality's ass, nigga. Okay. What do you mean? Making strangers hook up on dates. What do you mean by that? Kiss, like, what's my Wi-Fi doing? Bitch. This is an American stream, yeah. Where you from?
It's Matthew. It's Vicky. And today, we find each other the right one.
Why are they like?
Find you the right one.
A few moments later.
You don't like light skins at all?
No, your lips curly. Like.
Oh my god. Chat. Chat, what y'all doing if you talk to a bitch? She looking at you dead in your eyes. She said, your lips crusty. Are you crying? Are you running away or are you licking your shit? What you doing? Kenny, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you so much. Hope your day is going amazing. Making them hook up kind of crazy. Yeah, what do you mean? Like, I'm from Boston, but my family is Moroccan. Ooh. Laugh it off, like, ha ha. No, you gonna laugh it off, but you gonna be crying on the inside, cause that's tough.
What kind of guys would you say you like?
Chat. Always make sure your lips are like smooth, bro. Get a chapstick, lip balm, some shit, bro. God damn, what the goddamn, nigga. Martin, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you so much. Hope your day's going amazing. Are you real right, YRG? What?
Money.
Rate her from 1 to 10.
Jesse. Wait, what? Who's Jesse? It's Corn. Shut up, bro. Wait, is it loud enough, chat?
Today, we finding somebody.
The right one.
We got this boy right here, you know what I'm saying? So, today we gonna find you the right one. What kind of girls would you say you like?
First off, they gotta be some workers, man. They gotta be getting some money. That's
Facts. Facts, chat.
Like her, she get money.
Like,
you know what I'm saying? She get money right now.
Vicky, but
So you gotta find a girl
He
that
said
get
that's
money,
Vicky.
okay?
No, listen. He's spitting though. I thought someone followed. What do you mean? Someone did follow. Never mind.
Okay.
She can look any type of
She can look any type of way.
that's a list. We gotta get to the other shit too. But I'm saying, pretty face. I look at the face before I look at the body. To be honest.
Chat, is that y'all? What's y'all type? Go ahead. Go ahead. Jesse is a singer of K-pop. You are the same. You're saying like I look like her? Wait. What do you mean? You're saying I look like a K-pop singer? Yeah, that's my type. A Gyat is your type? She's a square. Is he a pimp or not? No white girls. Okay, I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm trying to see what this man is talking. Hold on. Let me make sure nothing on the screen. I look like this? Samson just told me he down for Friday. Hold on, I need a list. God damn. I need a list, nigga. Nobody was sliding, now niggas slide. God damn. I'm in class for another hour, so... Oh, okay. Never mind. It's fine. But hold on. Why she look like a skinny Lizzo? I was just confused when I seen this. But, you feel what I'm saying? Okay, hold on. Okay. 1 is me, obviously. Why does it look like that? Because I can't type. 2 was Alex. Fucking stupid. I mean, whoa. whoa. What is this? A nigga just said I look like this K-pop singer. He said I'm the same as her or something. I don't know how or what he means by that. But, yeah. What is Friday? Nigga, you don't know what Friday is, nigga? Okay. Blake, shut the fuck up. God damn. What am I doing? Because y'all making me lose my train of thought. Let me stop looking at y'all. Because then you said and then I think Erica, is Breezy sliding? I don't know what's happening. I think Breezy said he was coming. I'm not sure. We gotta check on Breezy. And then 8 would be Sammy. Right. Not gonna lie, fuck with this lobby. Okay. And Sue said she's not gonna be here. She has class for another hour, but she said if we're still playing then and somebody leaves, then she can slide. But Breezy needs to finish his vid. When are niggas gonna be ready? Bulldog, you're good to play whenever? Are you good to play whenever? Don't do this with my name. Will y'all play Friday on Steam?
Body cool, but if your face is like a frog, that's
called a butterface.
Oh, that's it. That shit dead. And that's it. Those really the 3 things.
Yeah. Say no more. We're gonna find a girl right now. Let's go. We on a search right now.
A few moments later.
What's up? You so pretty. What's up? You ain't gonna say thank you? Oh, thank you. My bad. You welcome.
What's your name?
Bree.
Bree. You single?
Yes.
Yes. So Bree is single. How old are you?
I'm 18.
18. Oh, right on the mark right there. Right on the mark. What kind of boys would you say you like?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Dark skin.
Oh.
Dark skin, light skin, what?
You ain't going for no more light skins, huh?
Chad, do y'all care about like skin color?
No,
At all.
I like
What about this
Bulldog.
one right here?
No.
What?
She said no.
Just no.
She said no so fast. I ain't
You don't
gonna
like
lie.
light skins at all.
No, your lips crazy.
I don't care either, bro. I feel like if you look good, you look good. Like, why don't you know what I'm saying?
Hey, Ghetto, where you tripping?
Be like, no, I only like light skins. That sounds stupid.
Shit.
Like, you sound dumb.
You mind if my son takes a picture with you?
Yeah, of course. I just witnessed a murder. I'm sorry.
Thank you. You can have me all on YouTube, son.
Get her. What would you tell Travis Scott
Here, Abdigo.
right now?
Like,
Hey,
Pokemon,
man,
shut the fuck
Shout
up.
out to the Astro World. He's doing his big things right now. So, like, he doing his thing. What else would he
Nigga, Abdi was dropping Poke gifts in my Discord.
Yeah, I don't know.
Talking about Queen. Shut
Yeah,
your
it's
ass
that
up,
boy,
okay?
Unghetto, and
Vicky.
today what we doing?
Why is Vicky even in the vid?
Yeah.
Why is she even in the vid?
So what's your name?
Best friend duo. Alex.
Alex.
We finna find y'all some husbands.
Oh, she's taken.
Yeah, I'm taken. Y'all married? No, let me see your ring.
What's your
Ooh,
name?
she said if it didn't
Boy,
rain, then
yeah,
it don't
boy.
matter.
Yeah.
Ain't no ring.
I'm single.
You're single?
Uh.
Okay, well, you come over here. What's your name?
Kennedy.
You single?
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of guys would you say you like?
Athletes.
Athletes?
Why did he put that picture?
No.
No?
Why did he put that picture?
Yeah.
What about those guys over there?
Hey, let me
right
see the
there?
poll.
Who is that?
Let's
Big
go find
twig emo. Wait. Who the fuck made this poll? You're weird. It just got worse as I fucking read the shit. Okay. Actually, I'm not even gonna talk about that. Bro, y'all got it, bro.
Pull up. My boy.
Y'all like Lizzo's. I respect it. You know what I'm saying? I respect it.
Not really looking. That's not really looking too. We're gonna go around. We're gonna find you the right person. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna find you the right one. Come on.
I
let's
made
do
a
it.
jit and you're on drugs. We never found her the right one. That's tough.
Damn.
You like me on some shit, gonna be
my
single forever.
God, the swagger is there. Where you get the jacket?
This fit is disgusting.
I got it at Belk like years ago.
What? Hate the jib, the jacket, the jacket.
Why is he
the
gassing
shoes, the
them?
shoes.
No.
Play with him. Check out the kick, man. You got hit one step. Just hit one step. Just.
Ah!
Don't play with him. Check out the kick.
Stop.
You got hit one step. Just hit one step. Just.
That's nasty. Hey, murder gang shit. Hey, did he look 2 days? Hi, Sam.
Hit him with him.
Wait, 2 days what?
Yeah, them hard.
Oh, your followers? You go crazy.
Lil' Ken, man, Lil' Ken.
Lil' Ken, you know what I'm saying? I'm with
Vicky.
Vicky look annoyed. She always like,
I'm 19.
she always doing that shit.
Little young money maker. Where you from?
He's not black. Yeah, stop saying that. That shit is actually annoying, bro.
Yeah.
Hey,
I don't get why
girls would you say you like?
it's disrespectful.
Fine shit, man, about that money, man. Fine shit about that money.
Fine about their money. That's it?
Simply.
That's all I'm looking for.
That's
Let's
not
do it.
that.
Okay, let's
That's
do it.
W standards.
You think we can find it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Bing
say
bong?
nigga. Yeah,
Bing
she
bong.
do.
Let's do it.
She do indeed say nigga, cause I guess she's black.
What's up, y'all? What's your name?
Rakia,
Ebony. How old are y'all?
21, 24.
Period. Y'all so pretty.
Vicky tired, know
What's
me.
y'all type?
She is Abby. You're about to get
athletic.
canceled, bro. I gave her the pass.
Conservative.
Abby, you're barely
Okay,
black.
well, we
Stop
got
it.
y'all one right here.
Which one of y'all want him?
First that type of behavior. Cancel him.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. This nigga dripping. This is one of my top clients. You feel what I'm saying? Got the bubble coat,
The red puffer.
Got a little scamming.
Whatever that means.
You feel what I'm saying?
New York, very much New York.
Oh, why did she try to have a New York accent when she said that?
Y'all might not have to pick.
New York. New York.
You feel what I'm saying? How that sound? That sound lit, huh?
Yeah.
Don't rate me, don't mind me, but I know she gon' sing.
Bro. Don't Vicky be saying nigga too? I don't know.
I'm putting this nigga
Vicky think she black? She was trolling,
doing my
bro.
fucking job. Where y'all from?
Atlanta.
The Bahamas.
Shawty knew what she was doing. That was a plot to get clout and it
The
fucking
Bahamas?
fucking worked. She rich now, bro.
Sound like you a little hip ass.
She's literally rich now off that shit.
I like that.
We go to GSU.
Y'all go to GSU? Yeah. Oh, so y'all some freaks.
Low key.
Yeah.
Low key, yeah. But God. Yeah, not on camera. One of y'all just gonna have to take his Instagram or something. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. You an entertainer?
I just rap. I do everything. Rap.
What's your Instagram?
What's on skin?
Okay, let me look you up. You popping?
Ooh. She wanna know if he got clout or not.
I look familiar.
Yeah.
Like I watched one of your videos before.
What you do?
I went to
She
undergrad
talk
for commercial
like
real
that.
estate. So
He
now
said
I
nigga, I
just
think
invest.
W method, bro. Hey, that's what niggas do. Like people be trolling.
Oh, and then
People
now
do dumb
we
shit and it
work
gets
for
them
Global
famous,
Hospitality
bro.
Management. So think of like
They
tourism,
know what it is.
hospitality.
That's fine. What you do?
Val stream. You know, I'm
Full-time
not
student,
streaming
JFU
Val until I
Global
play off stream.
Hospitality Management Masters.
You like that?
Yeah, I love that.
Cap.
He did not. His face did not look confident.
Yo,
when he
who's
said that.
better, J. Cole or
It
Playboy
is
Cardi?
not a full nerd. No, I'm not.
Playboy Cardi. Yeah.
Bro, that's literally y'all. This is literally y'all, bro. This is literally y'all. Ew. This is what y'all look like. This is what y'all look like. Because every time Cardi come on, what? Yeah. Damn. This is y'all. Don't lie. Don't lie. Don't lie.
Playboy Cardi. Yeah.
Ah, yeah, that's y'all, bro.
Unghetto Mathieu, and I'm back in this bitch with
Jay.
yeah.
Jay, that's every
You know what
nigga's
I'm saying?
name.
So me and Vicky, we hooking up strangers on dates. You know what I'm saying? So what kind of girls would you say you like?
I don't like no big girls though, you feel me?
Unlike y'all. You need to leave.
You gotta like you know, like skinny, slim, petite. Yeah.
Okay.
Skinny, slim, petite.
Alright.
What else your type? Like, okay. If you could name anybody your dream girl.
Damn, gotta be Zendaya. Gotta be Zendaya.
Okay, see, like light.
Oh, valid.
Yeah, got
Okay, light skin, petite.
yeah, light skin.
That is indeed.
say
Yeah,
bro.
I'm sing.
Okay,
He
so ain't
fat
nobody
shaming?
gonna be mad.
Nah.
So we gonna find you somebody right now, okay?
I hope not, because that would
How
be
you feel about
very
that?
I ain't
disrespectful.
never, it don't matter.
You ain't never?
Wrong.
How old are you?
Oh.
I'm 18.
Oh, so we got 5. Okay.
Man, it don't even matter, man. Cougar bitch can
We
get
gotta
it
find,
too.
Not cougar.
Come on. We gonna
They are
find you
overrated.
someone just for you, okay?
Abby,
Me and Vicky
you
is
like
on the prowl to
Pokimane and
find
Summer
you the
Rae.
right
Shut
one.
your bitch ass up. It's crazy.
Find him white.
You have bad taste, my
Not just
nigga.
a girlfriend, but a wife. A wife.
You have bad taste. Disgusting
I
taste,
feel like I
okay?
recognize you. Thank you. Are you single?
Your opinion does not matter.
Yes, you are. Look, we got you.
And they are overrated. That's not. I thought you was juice man, but now you get no bitches. Damn, that's unfortunate, bro.
What type of guys would you say you like?
Grown, mature men.
Okay. Would you
That's
date this
unfortunate, bro.
handsome fellow right here?
Who?
Would you date him?
Probably not.
Would you
You look like
rate him 1 through 10?
7.
7 ain't that bad. You don't like her? Nah, they do not work.
That bad?
They do not work.
Oh my God, this is not a good. This isn't going how I thought
7
it
isn't
would.
that bad,
This
though.
isn't going how I thought it would. Sorry,
7
man.
is safe, yeah.
We're gonna find you. We're gonna find you the one. We're gonna find you the one. Be for real.
Don't
right
ask
now.
me to
Are
rate you.
single?
I'll fucking say
Yes.
3, nigga.
Okay. What kind of guys would you say you like?
You know, sometimes I like school guys, but then
Wanna
sometimes
see
I like
her,
the
yeah.
guys that just be out partying.
Literally like
you know,
Zendaya does.
promoting
Literally.
and-
Like Atlanta boy?
Like hood dudes. I'm from Detroit, so
Is she
I
still
really don't know
fly?
how Atlanta boys are.
But y'all gas her OD.
Can you
She's
rate this
pretty
guy
as
for me,
hell.
real quick? This gentleman right here.
She's a model, nigga.
At 8.
Eight.
about?
Okay.
After your personality, that can add like.
He
all the
deserves to
different
be
things.
Would you get
gas.
to know him? If we told y'all to exchange like
Ugly
Instagram
bitches or mid
numbers,
bitches
like,
or
hey, y'all get
whatever
money together,
are not
yo.
models.
You feel me?
7 is terrible because you know they just trying to be nice. Hey, Schlatt, hey.
What do you see in him? Like what do you see in this man?
I think he has potential. You know, I think
I see potential in him. I can fix
You
him.
think he cute?
I can be what he needs.
Bing bong.
This nigga.
What would you say to your most recent
Abdi,
ex?
you're about to get stripped.
hope you're
Nobody,
doing well.
literally nobody cares.
Yeah.
Literally nobody cares
Unghetto Mathieu,
at all.
Vicky,
And,
Leo,
and
Sophia,
Leo?
Leo,
Did she
Vicky,
say? Did she
today,
say Leo? I've never.
and,
Leo,
and
Sophia.
Sophia, Leo, Vicky. Today,
Is she saying her
we
sign?
putting strangers
Or is that her
to
name?
The test. So y'all single?
Kinda. Situationship.
Okay. Is it worth it?
Yeah.
Are you?
I'm single.
You're single?
Yeah.
Fully single?
Yes.
No dick?
That's
So
the-
what's y'all type in a dude?
Money. A big bag.
taking a picture.
I just like people who are creative.
What's an example?
Like designers, stylists, artists.
How old are you?
23. 23.
That's nice here, bruh.
Looks, appearance
Why
wise.
you like this Abdi?
Pretty
needs help.
dark skin.
Look at
Yeah.
Aries.
I don't really have a type when it
I
comes to
hope
look.
you
It's
at least
more
talking about her, cause she cool. I hope you're not talking about her. I hope you not. Yes, you talking about her? Right here? Don't make me cuss you out, Abdi. Oh,
about, like the personality for me.
okay. Sorry, bet.
Period.
We're gonna find out somebody
Cause
today.
Aries is bad.
We're gonna
Find y'all a husband.
find y'all a husband.
Okay. We're gonna go over here by Neiman Marcus. This what
He
they
said
get.
period.
This what the richest get.
Is Aries white?
And
She's
this I know. That's the store with the money.
She,
and that's
yeah.
where they gonna be at.
Okay, period.
partially. Partially, man.
Both 2 times.
Okay. So you in here spending that cash, huh?
Purple.
Okay.
12 months,
What kind of girls did
gangy.
you
12
say you
months.
Shit.
Go crazy.
Yeah.
Go crazy. Purple, I appreciate you so much.
Okay.
Give me a year,
Come over here,
nigga.
You know what I'm saying? So rate her from 1 to 10.
She got nice teeth.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
10? Just gonna give it to her like that, just 10. She perfect.
She look good.
Would you like exchange your Instagram with him? You know, your phone number?
I mean, what do he look like? We can't see.
You would get it done? What you think? Like, you know
I
what
think he
I'm
coming
Yeah,
up.
he's cute.
How can you tell?
I'm putting you on.
Did they show his face?
How old are you?
Oh my god, Paul,
26,
1 year
23?
by
He
Purple.
got 3 years of knowledge over you. He
Okay,
can teach you some things.
for sure.
On camera, we gonna need y'all to switch
Sniper
their
wolf.
numbers right now.
So what's your idea of a date? Like a good date?
Yeah, like, nah, hold on. That ain't even for her to say. You take her on her first date, where you gonna take her? Where would you take her?
Root Chris.
Oh, you know what that is?
Yeah,
He said root crib.
maybe like
Fuck.
chops, like
Oinky
chops-
still, bro.
Anything she like.
That the baby?
Right.
Bro, I have not seen this nigga face. How does she know if
Hey,
she's
man.
cute or
How
not?
you feel about this matchup? What we
I'm
doing?
back
I can't
queen.
wait for
What's
them to
good?
go on their date.
Yeah. Oh my God. Demon.
Fam W's in the comments.
Buck 2 times. You call me Chris though.
Call him Chris. He gonna take you to Roof Chris. Have you ever fucked a celebrity?
No.
Whoa.
Have you ever had a cold?
She got baby teeth.
Yes.
Ew.
Wait.
Have you ever had a cold?
Yes.
Ew.
What?
It's Matthew.
It's Vicky.
And today,
We find it.
each other.
This is so fucking random.
What's your name?
Katie.
You single? You not? Situationship? Boyfriend? Husband?
Like, what's your type as far as appearance wise? Okay.
Broke her
Any,
leg,
like,
she
famous
need a
person you
sub.
think cute, like Nardo with? Yeah, he is fine. I ain't gonna lie. How old are you?
18.
Okay, bet we finna find you somebody.
Why everybody 18?
Who wants
What the
smoke?
fuck he do?
Who wants smoke? I'm
Trying to knock a nigga.
your boyfriend?
Nah.
My nigga.
Period.
Oh,
Women don't cheat.
W girl, W
Women
girl.
don't cheat.
Let's do it. So what your name is?
Jarrell.
Unless she do some dumb shit right here, then I take it back.
You know what I'm saying? So what kind of girls?
What's up with? I'm engaged.
Oh, for real?
I look, I'm y'all age, don't
You, how old are you?
30. It's
Yeah.
the water,
You
bro.
dead engaged?
Some money uncle, nigga.
All right, W man, he kept it real. Okay.
Yeah, September 24th.
Where?
It's in Atlanta, though.
The wedding?
Yeah,
Is it like a big wedding or small, like little
big.
Can me and my niggas
And
go?
don't cheat.
Yeah,
Bro,
y'all come
everybody,
for real?
listen,
If this
both
get
genders
30,000
cheat, bro.
likes, I will show up to the wedding. No cap.
It's stupid to
Alright,
say
I'ma get your
one
information.
gender
I'ma
don't
send
cheat.
you an
That's
invite.
I ain't gonna lie.
He said
I'm
30,
so
he just
sorry
like
that you didn't
Abdi.
find you a match, but your mama over there is looking kinda scrumptious. Hello. 500K or dinner with Jay-Z?
Not gonna lie, chat. Answer the question. I just want to see what y'all say. I'll tell y'all what I would say. How you get shout-outs from Future and the baby? Amen. I'm just that nigga. You know what I'm saying? Nigga said fuck Jay-Z. Dinner? 500,000. Why he taking so long? Bro, dinner with your rage. That's not an option, Bulldog. Damn, that nigga not gonna fuck you, nigga. 500K. Bro, I'm taking the 500K. One, because it's 500K. I don't really care. Like, you know what I'm saying? Whatever. But also, Jay-Z fat ass, crusty ass lips. I do not want to watch that man eat. Hell no. Oh, fuck no, chat. Y'all seen that nigga lips? I ain't gonna lie. That shit nasty, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Have you seen it? Have you seen it, my nigga? That's nasty. Ew. Ew. Anyway, I'm sorry. This nigga should answer very, very quickly. Very quickly.
Just answer the damn questions.
How long the dinner with Jay-Z?
15 minutes.
Oh, now give me the 500K.
30 minutes.
Why does the time...
35.
I need about an hour.
Imagine the brain... Bulldog get help.
You need time with Jay-Z?
Yeah.
Pause, nigga. Pause.
Check Discord.
You have been paid for it.
Yeah.
You know about how to invest the paper.
Real shit or fake shit?
Real.
Yeah.
Hell,
Real
dude.
ass question.
Get the fuck out. Literally, get out, bro. Whoa. Hold on. There's the S9. What the fuck? You almost got me fucked up just now. I can't even put that on the screen, bro. I literally can't put that. Hold on. Thank you, Bulldog. Don't delete that. LD said this Jay-Z. Okay, I'm scared. That was earlier, but still, I'm just saying. First time in stream was good. What's good, Genki?
Question right now. Who's better, J. Cole or Playboy Cardi?
J. Cole.
Answer the question, chat. You said Cardi Wimes. Jermaine. Cole. Knock a nigga lines out. J. Cole top one. I'm joking. Cardi. He said currently or all time?
You know about how to invest the paper.
Real shit or fake shit?
Real.
Yeah. Real ass question right now. Who's better, J. Cole or Playboy Cardi?
You just said who's better. Poonie Low clears.
Yeah, okay. Who would you rather listen to for 3 months, J. Cole or Playboy Cardi?
J. Cole.
J. Cole.
3 months. Bye.
Whoever been keeping
Bye.
the score, might as well stop counting this shit like figure the foe. Don't rate me.
Hey man, W Big Yankees.
She ain't gon' sing like figure the row. If you owe me, I don't need it no more. Might as well take that.
Like every time I put Unghetto Mathieu on the screen, y'all be like, but then we watch the vid and it's like, bro, we be laughing and shit, nigga. Like, come on, Yankees. LD, you just old.